G'day everyone. I've started on my next build. It's Takom's new released Japanese tank, the 150 ton super heavy tank. I'll be doing this scheme on it, which I find the most interesting out of there's four to choose from. There's two greys and the camouflage ones, like this one's got the yellow in it. I've made a start on the road wheels and the idler wheels. Everything is, all the wheels are movable. The drive sprockets are also, you can move them, and these are the road wheels are all movable, but I do not know why, because the tracks are just plastic that you glue together. You're not going to be able to turn them, but it will help painting, moving around the paint. I've left the last one here to show you how it goes together. They just pretty much fit together. The plugs into the rear wheel, and then the outside wheel just clips on, so no glue necessary. The only bit that needs glue is the end cap. I just put a bit of glue in there, and on it goes, and that's it. So, and then I'll be fitting on to the hull. This piece is just, this piece is 28 centimeters long. It gives you an idea how big this thing's going to be. And there's grooved fittings for the wheels that they'll just fit in, and they can be adjusted, but which I like the engineering of it so far, but I'm going to be keeping this off to paint it. It's easier to paint. So yeah, off to a flying start. Okay, I'll look at the track system on this kit. So I've got a few links together. So that's the bottom, and that's the top piece that will go through there. That goes on the bottom, and then the track guide goes in top. It's just this part has got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sprue gates, and that's a nasty spot to trim up, but that's how it goes. So it's going to be a long process. 82 per side, the instructions say, so we'll see how we go. This is the outer plate that goes on outside of the hull. So that's the actual bit you're going to see. I've had a drill 0.7 millimeter holes. That's for the grab handles or the climbing handles on the hull. All this is going, these are the track guides. So these will go in here like so, and then obviously repeat for the other side. So I'll glue all that on, paint it like that before I put it on to the hull, obviously, so you can get at it. I've added mounts for where the shackles go, but I'm not putting them on yet because I want to add, there's kit has weld molded in. I'm going to add some welder in there with some putty, either probably this 2-part epoxy putty. Well, I'm not up to that stage just yet because there's probably a couple other areas I want to do that. I've added this front plate. Same again, I'll add some weld around there, and I'll probably try and add weld where the plate meets the bottom part on that seam line there. Then I'm going cleaned up the top section of the hull. So you can see this thing's massive. That'll go on. I'm going to put that on first. Then I'm going to be painting in here, same as the inside of these. I'm going to paint all that because then these side plates go on like so. So I'm going to be painting all that interior. Not that you're going to see it all, or hardly any of it, but I like to know it's painted. Then add the tracks because it'll be easier the way it's designed to put the tracks in now than at the end, my opinion anyway, but we'll see how I go.